Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can delete your uh, project in Google Cloud. So what I figured out for myself is the, for me, easiest way. So if I go here to a navigation menu and then billing, click on that, it will open up this billing accounts. Then under the manage billing account, click on that and you will see here at the top your billing accounts and your projects. So click on your projects and here you will see your projects, whichever you have. Maybe you have one, maybe 5, 10. And then on the right side under the actions, you have 3 dots right here. Click on that and right here uh, you can change billing, lock billing or disable billing, and with that you will also close your project. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.